Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use Google Maps AI features for better navigation. So make sure you will just download the Google Maps on your iOS device, and if you have the Android, so you will just download it from the Play Store and simply just download and open the Google Maps right over here. And in the search bar you will just type your destination where you want to go. And example, I will just type on it like Eiffel Tower, which is in Paris, France. So I will just show you the AI new feature for the better navigation, which is called impressive view. Here you will see, and I want to just tap on it simply. So you will have to wait for the moment. So now you will just explore in this 3D by the fingertips. You will just write over here, and I will just show you like this. I will be just moving with my finger, and you will just also like zoom it. So in this way you will just analyze the AI features for the better experiences and the navigation for the easy to destination stop. So that's it. So in this way you will just have to use it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.